Okay, good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. To those that are yet to subscribe and you've not subscribed, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's do a quick analysis on Swiss franc JPY for this week. So now let's start with these movements. These movements started. This was year 2019, right? So let's start with the year 2019 till this year 2020. So during that year of 2019, we had a bullish move. We got to the year of 2020, we also had a bullish move. 2021, we also had a bullish move. Even 2022, we had a bullish move. Then we started having this bearish move by the month of November, right? In the month of November, then price started dropping, right? So we can answer that this is the month of November, we had a bearish move. In the month of December, we had a bearish move, and also this month of December in January, which is this new year 2023, we've gotten a bearish move. So I would like to say that more bearish move is to come, by the way. So in the long term, we will be expecting more drop on Swiss franc JPY, by the way. So we can answer that previously this price was trading above this 10th period simple moving average, but right now price is trading below this 10th period simple moving average. So that is an indication that this price is still a bearish move. So more drop is to come. That should not take us to the weekly time frame since we want to predict for this week. So let's start with this movement here, which is a drop. We will take a look at this to be a pullback. Then we would see this again to be a drop and a pullback here. Now this is a drop on this Swiss franc JPY. So let's expect more drop. Let's see if this price will be able to take out this candlestick wick here this week. For this week, if price can drop, take it out. If price can break its low, then I believe price will actually drop to this same level, which is a level of 135. Currently, Swiss franc JPY is trading at 138. Let's watch out for a level of 135 for this week. Let this price drop. Then maybe from 135, we would have a pullback at a level of 135 to a level of 138 again. Then we would now have another drop, take out this level, which is a level of 128. So at first, the level we should watch out for a drop is a level of 135. So this Swiss franc JPY, it should hit a level of 135, a pullback to be made to 138. Then we would have another drop to a level of 127. Maybe then price can give us a pullback and we would continue that bearish move. Above all, more drop is to come on Swiss franc JPY. You can see it, we are still trading below the 10 period simple moving average. So still bearish, by the way. If you go to the daily time frame, so you can see the trend, right? Still a downtrend, lower lows and the lower highs is what's playing out here. So we see this as, let's take start from here, a drop, a pullback here, another drop. You see this drop took out the previous lows, and we can see a pullback. Now we are expecting more drop. So this is at the level of 138. So let's expect that drop to a level of 135, which is at this level here, right? Once we can get that level of 135, then we would expect a pullback on this Swiss franc, JPY. So once we have that pullback, then we can now continue our bearish move on Swiss franc JPY. Same thing with the forward time frame. Basically, we are still dropping. But before you actually go ahead and sell for this week, I think let the forward time frame give us a pullback before you go ahead and sell, because it looks like price wants to push up a bit as a pullback. So once it pushes up a bit as a pullback on a forward time frame, you can go ahead and sell for the week.